Hello and welcome to Simply Solve's Video Resource Library. In our session today, we're going to learn how to back up the server. The LiAM server is a very important file. It contains all of your production data. So it's very important to have one or more backups of this production data available in case something happens to the primary LiAM server file. Some things that could happen is someone could just accidentally move it, or they could delete it, or it could become corrupt. If any of these things happen, it's nice to have a backup available that you can simply restore your primary server. So let's go ahead and open up the LiAM client. As an admin, you can come over to the Admin tab and then select Parameters. In Parameters, we have a couple of options for backing up your server. First is the automated backup mode. We have three versions. We have daily, on use, or a manual. We recommend that you leave it in the D or daily mode. That way, once a day, you get a backed up copy of your LiAM server deposited in the backup folder. Also, backup overwrite allows you to either retain the prior day's version of your backed up server or replace it. We recommend that you do not overwrite it, but that you create new date time stamped file names for your server. This way, if you have ever had to go back a week, a month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year, you will have versions of your server database at that point in time. All right, let's go back to the home page. And we're going to notice on the home page there is in the administration panel an option called Backup Server. At any point, you can select Backup Server and your server will back up. If we go into the LiAM folder on our network drive, we're going to see a folder called Backup. Here's your primary server database, and then your backups are stored in this folder. So you're going to notice that we have one created on 2019, May 28th at 9:12:33 p.m. If we go back to our home page and select Backup Server again, it will create another version of the server. Now notice we have two versions. This one is 9:13:06 p.m. So again, it's important to have backups. So what if something did happen to our primary? It got deleted, moved, or it became corrupted. Let's say in this case, somebody deleted it. You could go into your backup folder and you could copy the last version of your server, move it up to your LiAM server folder, and then you can go ahead and erase the file name. You have just recreated a version of the LiAM server from a backed up version. But what happens if someone deletes the entire server folder along with the backups? We provide an option in our admin panel for you to specify a NetPath backup alternate link. Here is where you would go ahead and create a backup path to a folder that only you have access to, or that is somewhere far removed from the ability for someone to get in and delete the file. As a final fallback, most networks have automated backups that occur as part of their nightly routines. So in the worst case, you can go ahead and put a request in with your IT team to say, please restore the last version of the LiAM server database in your backups. So this concludes the session on backing up your server. If you have any questions or you need additional assistance, feel free to contact us at trackitwithliam.com. Go ahead and visit our contact support page and tell us how we can help you.